Well, welcome back. Ladies and gentlemen, today we're diving into Nuvini, which is investing in the future of SaaS in Latin America, acquiring to scale profitable B2B SaaS companies. As we kind of talk about the earnings, cap structure, and what's going on with the AI side of this business, we're privileged to be joined by Pierre, the co-founder and CEO, joining us. Welcome back, sir.
Well, thank you, Kyle. Great to be here.
Yeah, and a pleasure to get you on. So before we talk about earnings cap structure, maybe let's just talk about the broader view of AI. I know Nuvini Labs had a breakthrough in gains from AI's, their first development strategy here. Maybe talk about how you're integrating AI into the business.
Sure. The AI Labs came to integrate AI into three different parts. First, culturally, so we got engagement through the team. That's really important. Second, with different tools. So we have every single one of our developers now is 100% AI first, and that has really tripled productivity in some instances. And third, using AI at all facets of the business, customer service, sales, cross sales, which is something we couldn't do before AI. And we've seen really interesting results on the short term. And again, now I think they compound over time.
Yeah, it'll be neat to see how this kind of expands, as you mentioned, over time. But talking about kind of the insider side of things, I know we've seen some executives purchasing shares. You guys have been talking about reverse stock splits. How do you guys see value in the stock? What are you guys doing from the inside?
Right. So me and my co-founders just recently purchased stock as part of the beginning of a program that we established. We personally believe the company is undervalued, and it's a great opportunity moving forward, given where we're at, given where the comps are at, and given where we see the landscape for Latin America acquisitions.
Yeah, appreciate the insight there. And speaking to just kind of the growth front of this, your operating revenue was up 6.5% to 98.2 million with cash flow growth of 16%. I mean, you're really focused on that reoccurring revenue now, making up 92.2% of that, establishing Nuvini as kind of a pure play SaaS company. You want to speak to the revenue, your operating income here a little bit?
Sure. The top line growth is part of the number. I think just as important is the fact that we improved CAC to LTV from 6 times to 8 times. So that's almost that's a substantial increase of value from each customer. And churn has also reduced. So we're being more resilient with these clients, which will generate more cash flow over time. Should generate more cash flow over time, and that's the whole goal here.
Yeah, on that note, I definitely appreciate you taking the time. Just give us these brief updates as we pass it off to the viewer. As news and catalysts come down the wire, we'll bring it to you here. So consider subscribing for those updates. We'll leave all the links in the description as well. But on that, we look forward to catching you in the next one.